Hello and welcome to the today webinar. My name is Mariam Khaghani. Um, Briefly, I would like to introduce myself. I am educated in electronic engineering. I have started my job in Canon Automation GmbH as technical manager since 2023. I am technical secretary of the special interest group SubSea and also CanFDLite. I also assist the technical secretary of some other interest groups. Before talking about our main topic, CI profiles, I would like to also introduce the CI Association objectives. CI is the international users and manufacturer group that develops and supports CAN and other CAN-based higher layer protocols. This non-profit group was founded in 1992 to provide CAN-based technical product and marketing information. CIA is developing CAN in different aspects, CAN FD, CAN XL, and other CAN technologies. Until now, Canon Automation as a non-profit organization has more than 770 members worldwide in this year. What is CIA services? Actually, our main services is the CIA specifications that we provide them to our members as well as non-members. And around the specifications, we offer on technical side like seminars and also on marketing sites, we discussing them in the CI publications like CAN newsletters. About 200 CI documents CI has released that this specification and then technical reports. Uh, 57 of them are or will be soon in revision. Further, 86 CI technical documents are published and not more maintained, meaning that there are no pending comments and there are no new feature requests. And also many of them are mature and are used successfully since many years. And additionally, there are 38 new documents in development, but not yet released. I gave this overview that I tell you about our technical groups, that all the documents or all the CIA specifications are developing and discussing and at the end releasing in these CIA technical groups. For example, you can see here in this diagram that we have for different topics and in different industries. For example, in Canopen CC or classic topic, we have some special interest groups, and also in Canopen FD, we have a special interest group in topic LSS FD testing and others, and especially about the our today topic, CIA profiles. We have interest group profiles that all the CIA specification or all the CIA profiles are developing in these groups. And we have these special interest groups as I can say as the subgroups of the interest groups regarding this topics, generic IO, drive and motion controllers and leaf controller and other topics that they have their own specific CI profile. And on the other hand, we have CI marketing groups that in these groups we work on the image brochures and videos, and also we organize the CI technology days, CI webinars and other CI events. And Currently, just the active marketing group is about CanExcel, but in the near future, CiA is organizing another marketing group about mm, CanOpen. That if you like to join or you are interested in the CanOpen marketing group, you can contact CiA office. And what is CiA publications? Actually, we have Can newsletter or publish Can newsletter magazine every 3 months, and it will be the printed one of these magazines will be distributed in our exhibitions. For example, in the near future, we have a space exhibition in Nuremberg on November, and they will be distributed as a printed one. You can also download them, the PDF one, in our website. And we have also CIA protocol guides regarding CAN, and other higher layer protocols like J9039. Uh, and also we have the CIA website that all the time it is updating regarding our meetings, our uh, our documents, and about the documents there is a part about the CAN knowledge, and also we have CIA email services that it is CAN community news that it will be sent by email every 3 weeks. So until now, you are a little got familiar to the CIA, and you can be a part of our organization as a member. That gives you this possibility of having access to all the CIA specifications. You can also take part in our meetings and have an influence on the initiating and on the and also developing the CIA specifications. And you can also participate in the CIA Plug Fest, that is a test environment about that you can test the interoperability of the CIA profiles implementation. And also, you can also participate in joint marketing activities and other benefits that you can see in this slide. You will have if you be a member of a CIA. Back to our main topic about CIA profile overview. Today, I would like to talk about in this webinar about the what CIA profiles are, and we will talk about types of the CIA profiles, different types, and how they are developed, and also the future of the CIA profiles and the future work plan of the interest groups. At first, I would like to start with this slide that I can say that based on the OSI layer, any CanOpen device offers system designer the possibility to configure the desired CanOpen device behavior with the network, such as participating in a synchronous network behavior, and also establishing communication between two or several network participants. And I can say these CIA profiles are mainly in the CanoPen application layer. But they sometimes they also consider some lower layer issues as well. And the CIA profiles comprises device, interface, and application profiles. These are the types of the CIA profiles that they are in the CiA 400 series are CiA profiles, and all these profiles specify processing data and configuration parameters and also diagnostic information that I also in an easy word can say that in the implementation that they will be considered as software and also the how the functionality of them in the software. In this slide, I would like to talk more about the profile types. Um, as I said, we have device profiles that they specify the application parameters and as well as the mapping to an application layer, such as Canopen Classic or Canopen CC and Canopen FD or J939 uh, of a single of a single device, either it is generic or application specific. And we have also application profiles that they specify all needed functional unit interfaces for a specific network application, including a pre-configured cross communication between the functional units and interoperability of devices and scalability can be achieved by means of the CIA profiles. And also we have interface profiles like ProfitNet, IO-Link, Wireless that they specify the Canopen CC or Canopen FD mapping to other communication technologies or gateways. And this includes also the configuration of network infrastructure components like bridges, CAN bridges, and switches and routers. And in this slide, actually, I would like to go more in detail about the device profile architecture. Uh, it is a actually it is a system design concept that you can pre-define or pre-configure. Actually, it is better to say pre-configure your process data in application manager and later collect them and restrike them and distribute them to communicate with the devices, which are already predefined. Uh, Device profiles makes this possibility of plug and play. That which means there is no need to design the Canopane devices at the same time with the device and application manager. You can design them separately and communicate them whenever is needed. And also this device profiles is indicated by the in this index range, and also the communication objects will be indicated in this in the index range from 1000 to 1 FFF. And this usually this corresponding PDOs or communication objects are produced and consumed by devices uh, with the network management functionality. CI profile will be indicated in the index in this index range 1000 that you can see here that this the device type parameter indicates the implemented profile or the type of the logical device that it will be used in your network, and also its functionality. Uh, for example, you can see here that when you use no standardized profile, it will be 0, and if you use the CI profile in any industry, for example generic IO modules and or others, you can have this as the number that is dedicated to this profile, and in the first 16-bit field, and in the second 16-bit field, it gives you the additional information about the functionality of the specific profile. I said that the CiA profiles makes a network scalable. Here with an example, I would like to explain more. That here is the most used profile 401 for generic I/O modules that it describes canopy interfaces for modular devices with analog and digital inputs and outputs. As a designer, you don't have to implement all of the I/O profile functionality in your microcontroller. You can implement them whatever you want. And for example, about I/O functionality and the memory and some specific functionalities, and also this implementation of devices functionality make this possibility that of the scalability. Here is the list of generic device profiles uh, in comparison to application specific device profiles. Generic are not related to dedicated application fields, and they provide generic parameter specification and separated mapping to higher layer protocol. For example, we have uh, series profile for I/O devices and also for electrical drives and motion controllers, also for measuring devices and close-up controllers, for encoders for fluid power devices like hydraulics, for inclinometers and other CIA generic device profiles that you can see in this slide, and also the rest of them are in this slide, like uh, profile for power supply, for pumps, for onboard the weighing devices and others. And here is also the list of the application specific device profiles that we have them in medical devices, also in waving machine feeders, and for example, in the medical industry, we have contrast media injectors, and also we have for service robotic control system and other profiles that you can see. Among the CiA device profiles, these new release documents are more important to be focused on. I mean 406, 408, and 410. That because of the most popular topic about the canopy safety, uh, it was decided to publish these documents 406 and 410 as the public available specification. Also, the other parts, I mean, functionality, behavior, and parameters mapping to higher layer protocols like Canopy CCFD and J9029 are have been released as draft specifications, and I I can say that this document 406 specifies the communication and application parameters for different types of linear and rotary encoders, such as incremental and absolute, normal and high resolution encoders. And it also provides the operating principles of the encoders and specifies encoder output process values such as position, speed, acceleration, and jerk. And also it specifies the canopy safety parameters such as safety position and safety speed. for encoders with Canopen safety functionality. It is working based on the EN 53 25-5 that this standard is developing on one of the our special interest groups, functional safety. That if you are interested in this topic, you can also contact CiA and contribute to developing these documents. I mean safety-based documents. And also in the 408, it is a specified Canopen interface for hydraulic proportional valves and hydrostatic pumps and the hydrostatic transmissions, and this profile may be also applied on pneumatic devices as well. And in the 410, it specifies the interface for single and dual axis in kilometers. The other type of CA profile is application profile. Application profile specify all functional interfaces used in a network. It is a system design approach, actually, I can say. And all the I would like to talk about this in the specific application profile that is one of the most popular, that is 417. Uh, this application profile is for leaf controller systems. All the necessary mm, communication and mapping parameters for a leaf control system are specified in this document. And implementing your CAN-based network according to the CiA font 417 makes you to integrate your network with devices from different suppliers without huge effort, that you can easily integrate them. That I can say it is one of the benefits of using an application profile. To go more in detail about this, it is a diagram of the single shaft leaf control system, and that application profiles are based on the descriptions of a set of virtual devices and interfaces and or functional units. A Canopen device may implement one or several virtual devices. As you can see here in this physical device, you have some devices that you also can have virtual devices or functional units describing or defining the functionality of the devices. And for example, here when we consider the devices as mm, panel controllers or door controllers, and also, for example, here you can see a car door unit needs a light barrier. You can, with these functional units, define them in your software, and that I can say this mm, virtual devices or functional units are considered more and less software pieces that allows you to interact between internal devices. Here is also the list of application profiles. Uh, mm, as I explained in the previous slides, typical application profiles are CA 417, that it is one of the most popular and also has an active interest group that they regularly test the implementation of Canopen lift application profiles by means of the plugfest that in this plug fest, many different manufacturer participate. That The last one was held on the mid of October. We also have other application profiles in for sensor system in road construction and earth moving machines. And also the other popular one is the 422 for refusing collecting vehicles, and also for rail vehicles door control system, and also other application profiles that you can see here and also in this slide. The other most popular is 443 for subsidiary systems. That This document is currently decided by the special interest group to be released as a draft specification proposal. The third type of the CA profiles is the interface profile. That here, as I said, interface profiles specify the CANopen CC or CANopen FD mapping to other communication technologies. In general, for devices without application functionality, CANopen interface profiles are specified. They are actually the interface profiles are similar to the device profiles, but they don't specify process inputs and outputs. Instead, they describe the functionality of another application independent network technology. For example, here I would like to tell about the 400 CA 457. That is an interface profile for wireless transmission. Here you can see that your CAN networks 1 and 2 can be communicated through the wireless network using the CAN bridges. Uh, and what is CAN bridge? CAN bridge is a CAN-based multi-port network component that links two or more network segments on data link layer, like also router and switches. And because of the need of the using wireless network between the CAN networks, I can say that one of the most important reason is the probably damages, the problem of the damages, damaging for cabling, that it makes this is reasonable that we use wireless network between the CAN networks. You can also see the interface profiles. We have interface profiles for the commercial in-vehicle network gateways, for AS interface gateways, for configurable network components such as router, switches, bridges, and also for wireless transmission gateways and for IO-Link gateways. Actually, CI profiles assist in integrating embedded networks into cloud-based applications. Typically, a web application need data that has been generated or is available in embedded and deeply embedded networks. So we see here in this slide several applications. For example, building automation, medical application in hospitals, energy generation or power panels, automotive application, and others. That For many of them, CIA has already devoted CIA profiles. These profiles introduce harmonized data. This means the data can easily be integrated in web-based applications, no remapping and post-processing of manufacturer-specific data formats is needed. And actually CANopen itself, by introducing a standardized device actually, clarifies where the data can be accessed in a Canopen device. And also additional Canopen frameworks allow a standardized access from from the cloud to Canopen uh, through this profile series 309, and also provide even network discovery functionality through the 306, and and using the 400 series, with you will have the profiles, the CIA profiles for specific applications. Until now, I uh, I have explained about the CA profiles, but all of these profiles are in actually are discussing and are developing and at the end releasing in the interest group profiles, and also special interest groups, and that this is the latest profile document structure that it would be good that I explained that in the past there was only uh, a single profile document mapping to Canopen in general, but it was a new decision of the interest group profile that since there are different Canopen comprising Canopen CC, Canopen FD, and J1939. Uh, these profile documents should be separated based on the mapping, based on the uh, Canopen they are, but according to the specific details, such as the way they are implemented and the communication, the different parameters they have, uh, they are they got separated in this new, actually the latest structure. And as I said, we have special interest groups that are active and developing the corresponding documents. Uh, for example, in the generic I/O modules and the derives, electrical derives and motion controller, and also encoders, uh, the measuring devices, sensor and closed loop controllers, in the hydraulics, in leaf controller. We have a special interest group in in medical industry, firefighting, municipal vehicles, a special car, and add-on devices such as taxi, police, and cars, and in subsea and energy management system, IO link, welding, and cutting. We had also some other special interest groups, but recently, because of some reasons like that the experts are retired or the corresponding company of the expert was closed, they are now dormant, but they should be awake for systematic review of the corresponding and CIA profiles. And if you are interested in the in building door control, uh, truck gateways, power supplies, and rail vehicles, weighing the devices and systems, we would like to invite you to be a part of this special interest groups, to activate them again and work and develop the documents or the or actually the CIA profiles. Work plan for these interest groups for the future is maintaining the CIA 400 series document, resolving pending comments, and also approving CiA 400 series documents for releasing as a ESP or DS on request by special interest groups or by a CiA technical committee or by the CiA board of directors, and also requesting CiA workshops is the other work plan that it will be regarding and additional profile specifications, and they are technical related to technical reports. And for example, we would like to organize the workshop on winter and road service body applications, and also workshop on multi-access interfaces for automated guided vehicles, and also autonomous mobile robots. And also we have the plan and for a special car add-on devices that it is the corresponding CIA profile is 447. We would like to invite interested parties to actively contribute on developing this document. In this document, it is specified the CAN physical layer as well as application uh, configuration and also diagnosing parameters for the add-on devices uh, mm, that uh, that are used in a special purpose passengers cars, such as taximeters, roof bar, and other. And that if you you can, or if you are interested, you can contact the CA office. And also the other work plan for interest group profiles is uh, to actually to initiate the special profile mapping for CAN FD Lite and also CAN XL, that the first work draft will be proposed by CIA. If you are interested in each of these issues, you can considering this work plan. Um, you can be an active part of the our interest groups, and also we are going to the end of this webinar. As a summary, I can say that using CI profiles, whether it is a device application and the interface, makes the network interoperable and scalable. And system designer as using CIA profiles have the possibility to pre-configure the desired can open device behavior via the network, and generic and application specific device profiles specify the uh, interface of a logical device and makes the possibility of plug and play. And also application profiles specify all functional interfaces or virtual devices using the network. And interface profile specify the can open mapping to other communication technologies. And mm, as I said, you can join this interest group profile or also in the special interest groups by participating in these meetings that will be organized by these groups. You can initiate or be an active part of or actually have influence on the developing uh, the, these documents. And also you can discuss with the experts from different manufacturer and you can be part of this process that a document will be actually released. So we finished the webinar. You can also find us in social medias in LinkedIn and YouTube, and also for Chinese people in WeChat and Bilibili, it will be available. Thank you for listening to the webinar.